Hi, I'm Tamara Beam, Senior Clinical Education Specialist with STERIS, and I'd like to share with you the science behind clarity at the sink. Before joining STERIS, I practiced as an infection preventionist in an acute care hospital for several years. One of the major concerns of our sterile processing teams was the potential for blood-borne pathogen exposure. Manually cleaning instruments in a sink is a common risk area for potential sharps injury. If technicians are working in a cloudy sink, this limits visibility of instruments in the bottom of the sink, as well as the instruments they are cleaning. When we talk about clarity at the sink, we are not only talking about the foam created by the chemistry solution that can limit visibility, but also how the cleaning solution reacts with gross debris being removed from instruments. The water in a sink gets cloudy when the surfactant in the cleaner cannot hold the soil. As the soil isn't emulsified or solubilized, the water becomes cloudy. Prolistica HP enzymatic cleaner breaks down soil into very small particles, and the advanced surfactant system holds soils in suspension, providing crystal clear clarity in the sink, even at warmer temperatures that optimize enzyme performance. Let's see how Prolistica reacts in this manual cleaning sink and compare it to other common chemistries. This short and impactful demonstration will bring this to life. I have here 2 bays of our sinks filled. The first bay is Prolistica HP enzymatic manual cleaner, and the second let us call Brand X, an alternative cleaner used in sterile processing. Each bay is filled with warm water, and I've added instruments to the bottom of the sink so we can observe the difference in clarity. First, let's add some representative organic soil found in the SPD to each of the bays. I'm adding blood, and we'll mix this around a little. The Prolistica high-performance product holds the soil in suspension, and you can clearly see the items at the bottom of the sink. Notice with Brand X, however, it is difficult to see clearly to the bottom of the sink. This is because this product does not hold the soil in suspension, making it impossible to see instruments in the sink, posing a risk to the technician as well as making it more difficult to work. Now that we have the soils solubilized, let us see which chemistry prevents redeposition of soils. You just cleaned the debris off, so you don't want to have to remove it again. This also makes rinsing faster and easier, improving the efficiency of your process. Using Prolistica HP in your manual cleaning process provides safety for your staff, improves productivity, and helps ensure the soil your staff removed is not redeposited on instruments. The power of Prolistica cleaning chemistries, so much more than clean.